Hey guys, happy Monday and welcome back to Writer's Workshop. Today we're going to be talking about something that we've been talking about quite a bit, so this will be a quick lesson. So we're going to review a little bit today how to use pop-out words when we write. So it's really easy to draw your reader's eye and get them kind of excited about what they're reading when you use pop-out words. You want to look for important ideas or words on your page to try this strategy with. How can you do it in your own writing? Psst, easy as pie. First, you're going to find the most exciting part of your story. As you can see here, I chose the part in my story where, and guys, this did really happen. I went to go pick what I thought was a trash bag up out of the water, and surprise, surprise, it was actually a huge squid. So I'd gone through my whole story. I found what I think is obviously my most exciting page. And then I had to find the most exciting or important words on that page. Did you guess that it was going to be huge squid? Because it definitely was. Yeah, and I used an oceany color, so you can even use like a different color to make your reader even more excited and the word even more obvious. So today when you are writing, I want you to go through one of your stories and try to find the most exciting page, and then try to find the most important words on that page to bold. You can also use other strategies today to improve your writing, like adding details by telling your story step by step and talking about how you felt and what you saw. You guys have incredible stories that are just waiting to be told, and we, your teachers, can't wait to hear more about them. Happy writing to you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.